Hi, welcome back. Campus Classroom empowers you as a faculty to stay connected with your students 24 into 7. This is a very powerful feature of Campus Classroom. To stay connected with your students 24 into 7, all you need to do is volunteer as an expert in the subject that you're teaching in your campus. To do this, click on the Collaborate tab in your homepage, click on Volunteer and choose in campus. Once you click on volunteering in campus, a simple form will come up which will ask you in which subject area do you want to volunteer in. In this case, for example, I am choosing marketing management and advertising. ADVERTI. Okay, now once I start typing, the drop down will prompt me to select the subject that has been pre-created. In case I don't find the subject, I can type it in and I can enter that. I can also choose the languages in which I want to answer questions. A very powerful facility where students who are not conversant in English can choose to ask a question to me in one of their regional languages and I can choose to answer the question back to them. Currently, you can only choose Tamil, but very soon you will see 9 Indian regional languages. Once I volunteer as an expert, all questions pertaining to that subject, when a student raises a doubt in that subject, I'll get a prompt to which I can choose to reply. Now let's see where all can a student choose to ask a question. The most obvious one is inside a class. If I am stuck inside a class or I have a learning moment where I want to ask or connect with my faculty, I can just choose to press on this ask button inside a class. How is it different from what happens in a physical classroom? In a physical classroom, when a student wants to ask a question to me, he is fighting two things. One, he is fighting peer pressure because asking a doubt, a clarification, or a query in the physical classroom is almost akin to public speaking. Also, there are times when my priorities in a class is very different from what I have or what I would want to do otherwise. The most important thing that I would want to do in a classroom is complete the course in time because I only have that many hours in a classroom, and hence this is a very powerful feature for a student to use and choose to connect with me whenever he wants from wherever he wants. When he clicks on the ask button, a simple form will come up where he can choose to put the question, the subject area in which he wants to ask the question. He can choose any of the 9 languages that are available here to frame his question, put in the context of the question and save it. Apart from a class, in the quick link there is this button called ask which he can choose to click to come to the same form, or inside the collaborate menu he can just choose to ask and choose to ask in campus. In this way, virtually from anywhere in campus classes, he can choose to ask a question to me. Once a question is asked, it gets accumulated under the unanswered questions which is only visible to faculties. It is also, the question is also emailed to all faculties who have registered as an expert in that area. Also, the most interesting thing about volunteering is that even your students can be asked to volunteer so that they can help out juniors or their friends if they feel confident enough to be a good subject matter expert. All questions, like I said, will come under the unanswered questions section. I can choose to click on any of these questions if it is in my area of interest and ask for subject areas that I have volunteered. I will also get them as email and they will also come and land up in my page, in my profile. All questions that have been answered in a campus classroom situation find their way in the view answers section, which can be referred to by any student to refer to what is the question that his or her friends have asked campus wide, so that he has a ready repository of FAQs that he can refer to. In this way, using the volunteer and ask network, you get a very powerful tool which lets you connect with your students 24 into 7. in your campus classroom. Thank you.